Morning everybody, and once again welcome back in today's class. Day number 17 of our batch today. So yesterday we discussed about the inbound email actions and lookup tables. Any doubt in that? Any question in that? Anybody? Okay. So now we're starting a new topic that is, I can say, interesting and kind of system as well. Topic is called CMDB. Okay. CMDB means, now if I say in our house we have a lot of stuff available: sofa, dining table, fridge, microwave, washing machine, dishwasher, gas stove, bed, wardrobes. These all are our components. Okay. And if I say, guys, can we segregate these things in a kind of a criteria? So what you will say, Atul, like sofa dining is called a furniture. Okay. Table, chair, it depends what type of table chair, but we can call it as a office furniture. Wardrobes, bed is a different kind of furniture. In the kitchen, we have utensils. These are the different type of components. So mainly what happened that, let me put a little bit more example on this to be understand that what this concept is. Let's say Macrina had a AC in the house. It's a hot summer and AC is not working. She called to the mechanic or the showroom or the shop and say, hey, this is not working in my house. The mechanic says, ma'am, what is not working? No, we have installed this 2 months back, but it is not working. Ma'am, what is not working? So this is not working, or what is not working is something called in our industry. And this is called CI, configuration configuration item is a component which help you to provide the services to your customer. So CI is a component that help you to provide the services to your customer. So like, as I said that in our house, we have different furniture. What is this? That is a component which provide us a services. You have a sofa, you can sit on that. You have a dining table, you can use for the lunch or dinner, the breakfast. You have a bed, you can sleep on that. You have a wardrobe, you can put your clothes in that. You have utensils, you can use that to make a food items kind of stuff. You have a refrigerator, you can use it for keeping the things safe or fresh. So these are the components. Without the component, it is tough. So now Macrina says this is not working, but what mechanic says, ma'am, what is not working? It means she want to be raise a incident, but she is not aware that what this component is called. So like I give example, when I came to UK approximately 3 years back, there are a few things which I never saw in my life because in India that's not available, or in my house it was not there. Like a big microwaves, or even not a microwave, it's a big ovens which is pre-installed, or kind of a dishwasher. We never use it. We never saw it that okay, this is a dishwasher kind of things. So we have to be asked to our agency that hey, what is this and how it's work. Then she say okay, this is this product, this is called this product, and you can use like this and that way. So that CI is helping me to do my work. So in the industry, when any company is providing the services to their customer, they have CIs in the background. CI can be a server, can be a database, can be a laptop, can be an IP, can be a firewall. Okay. And where the CI has been stored, that is called CMDB, Configuration Management Database. Because we have multiple type of CIs, we have multiple type of furniture in our house. So we categorize that. Office furniture, living room furniture, bedroom furniture, kitchen furniture, garden furniture, library furniture kind of things. So we're dividing them in a categories so that we can store them in a proper manner, and that is called class manager. Give them a category so that easy to be stored. Now in a class we have a, let's say we have a office furniture, we have a bedroom furniture, we have a kitchen furniture, living room furniture. These are the 4 classes. Under these classes, it can be a subclasses as well. Under office furniture, I can have a home office furniture. This can be possible. In a bedroom furniture, I have a class called kids bedroom, adult bedroom, infant bedroom. सबका अलग furniture है, right? Kids may have smaller beds. Infant may have a cot. So, but furniture is different. If required, we can go the further class as well, like under infant 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months. And now under that we can have a configuration item. So 0 to 3 months with, I can say the code with site रेलिंग करके, चलो ऐसा कर लेते हैं कुछ. Now this is my CI. And this CI is under the class of this, and this class has a parent called infant, and this class has a parent called bedroom, and this class have a parent called furniture. Might be this is very big terms for you now, because this is the first time you're seeing or you're watching or reading something like this. But this is the heart of, at least I can say, any system or ITSM at least. You will not believe there are companies who don't have CMDB as of now. They don't have a proper CMDB. So let's say you are working in a company and you get a laptop. You get a laptop. Now laptop has a attributes. Like if I say, okay, human being has an attribute. Name, gender, parents, qualification, house number, salary, job, company, wife, kids, liability, assets. These are the attributes of a human being. In the same manner, every CI has an attribute. Everybody is using laptop. What are the attributes of a laptop? Tell me. Tell me what are the attributes of a laptop? Macrina.
Company name.
Okay. बस एक ही.
Company name and laptop are considered in
You have a MacBook, right?
yes.
Now give me the MacBook's attribute. Do you have a car?
Yes.
What is the attribute of a car?
Company name of car.
But only company name. What else?
It is considered in four-wheeler.
Okay. What else?
RAM, memory, hard disk.
What else? Now you come on the point. Yes. What else?
Screen size.
Screen
Software,
size, correct.
hardware,
Hardware. Okay. Okay. What else?
and the security like antiviruses, whatever
ठीक है,
software we are going
ठीक है,
to
ठीक
use,
है. What else?
charger.
Color of the laptop
Yes, definitely. Why not?
and how the keyboard setup,
Keyboard setup, QRT or ABCD, or what keyboard is this, right? What else?
screen size.
हो गया, वो screen size हो गया.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asset ID,
क्या चीज? Sorry.
asset ID, laptop ID.
Yes, correct. Very nice, good. asset ID, asset tag, OS installed, version of OS installed, how much RAM, what type of RAM has been there, memory size, and what software has been installed on that, how many ports are open on this one, how many USB port, how many C-type ports. These all are the attributes. And every CI has its own attribute. Now, if I change the CI type to car, then attribute will get changed. Car name, car model, make, asset also has the same thing, laptop, make and model. Then seats availability, engine, steering, automatic or manual, type of car, gearbox, how many gears are there, what is the weight of the car, left side car, right side car. So these are the attributes which make a CI. We are human being. We have attributes, right? Our name, my name, my gender, my age, my weight, my salary, my marital status, my family, my income, my flat, my house, my address, my skin color, my blood group. All these are what? These are my attributes. Might be you're thinking, Atul, why we have these many attributes? Because this is a very wider topic in the future for you guys. We all are working from home. And we all are using the service, sorry, I'm saying service, we all using the office laptop. But still, when you log into a laptop, you got a pop-up in the right side bottom. Update this thing. Or you get a pop-up like your system did not restart it from the last 5 days, please restart it. As per the operation policy, like this. Now tell me, you are sitting at your home, you never go to office and you didn't go to office in the last 1.5 years. How are you getting that pop-up? So this is what is important. When I was bachelor, I just have one room, 2 big bags, a wardrobe. That's all. I know what stuff is mine. Got married, bought this separate flat, bought little furniture as well. And then I have a family. Things get increasing. It is tough to remember that what I have, what I don't have. Sometimes, like when you are staying in rented flats, you got something from the rented flat, and then you buy something by yourself as well. This concept, like you're getting a pop-up in your office laptop, you're working from home. These things possible via discovery. Now, company give a laptop to Macrina, and they want to know that what is the version of OS Macrina is using at point of time. 2 ways. They can send an email to Macrina, and Macrina can reply, okay, this is what the OS installed in my laptop. Small company, 5 or 10, 30, 40 employees. This exercise is easy to go. Company size increased to 5,000. Now, what is the solution? Now, what is the solution for this one? This concept is called the discovery. Discovery is a separate product of ServiceNow, which come under the bigger umbrella of ITOM, Incident Operation Management. Sorry, incident. I'm saying sorry. It's IT Operation Management, not incident. Now the another concept. Let's discuss the theoretical part and then we'll go for the practical things. So Macrina, you said that you have a car, right?
Yes.
Correct. If that car is not working properly, will you take that car?
To the service center.
Garage kind of things, you can say, right? Now in that garage or in that service center, is this only your car or other cars also have?
Other cars also will be there.
Okay. Now the concept has been changed. Or let's say when you bought that car, you bring it home. What you say to the families or the friends? Hey, we bought a new car, right? And people say, oh, that's nice, a good investment, and it become your asset, right?
Yes.
Why an asset? Why not a CI now?
Because I bought it freshly. It will be CI if there is work to be done in that car afterwards.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं. What is the differentiation point? You pick up the things, but the differentiation point is not clear. Renuka, what do you think? That car is called asset now, not a CI. Why? Preeti.
Sorry, I missed that discussion.
Okay, so the point is that Macrina bought a new car and we are saying, hey, this is thank you. So we are consulting her that, oh, wow, that's nice. You brought a new car. It is an asset for you. Why not we're saying it is a CI for you? Or what is the differentiation point between an asset and a CI? The core difference of between asset and a CI is that asset always has a financial bindings. When you go to the showroom, you bought a car, might be for 10 lakh or 15 lakh, which is very nominal nowadays in India. People don't think that it's too costly. It's a normal one. Okay. When you bought that, when you go to the showroom and you put the check and everything has been done, you bought a car. As soon as you take out that car from out of showroom, it become a second hand and price get reduced. Even though you did not use even for 100 kilometer, but still it become a second hand and price get reduced. but ठीक है, you bought it for your purpose, so you are having that car. On the day when you buy this car, and after the download of 2 years, is the car price is still same?
It will be depreciated.
Correct. It will be depreciated. It means the price is getting lower and lower. So if I say that, and I'm giving a question to you, I have to find out the answer. Is every CI is an asset, or every asset is a CI? The car which is standing in your parking is an asset. As soon as that car go to the garage, it become a CI. समझे कुछ या नहीं? अरे हाँ यार तो बोलो कम से कम. Now we'll see that how to store this information in ServiceNow. Definitely, we're not going to be discussing about the car or something like that. We're discussing about the laptops, computers, server, databases, kind of things. Okay. So might be someone can put this question in the chat window that is all CI are asset or all assets are CI. Okay. Now let's come back here. So we'll go to understand first this concept. ये जो ये वाला है. So go here, class manager, CA class manager. This will tell you that how many classes we have in ServiceNow. Any idea that how many classes we have in ServiceNow? Any wild guesses? 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 100, 200, 500, 900, 1000, 2000. Any idea? As of now, there are more than 1000 classes available in ServiceNow CI class manager. And you can see here. See. The laptop you are using has its own class. Laptop, it's computer. See. And then in the computer we have a different classes. Personal computer, PCs, mainframe hardware, handheld computing devices. So if I click on the computer, computer class has its own attribute. ये देखो. कितने 100+ कुछ करके इसके attributes है. And we all not able to go beyond 20. हमें 20 भी नहीं पता. Now the thing is that these are the CI class. This is a CI class called computer class. And a computer has these many attributes. And every computer class has its some relationship. The best example I gave for this relationship is that when a girl gets married, before marriage, she was a daughter. As soon as she get married, she become daughter-in-law. She become, might be, if I go in relationship types as per our Indian culture, she can be a mommy for someone, she can be a chachi for someone, she can be a bhabhi for someone, she can be a jitani for someone, she can be a devrani for someone. She has multiple roles. So not roles, multiple relationship. And when that girl deliver a baby, she become mother. One more relationship get added there. In the same manner, because car cannot provide everything by itself. A car need a driver. Driver need a insurance. Driver need a license. License issued by the license authority. So this is like a complete science in the background. समझे कुछ या confusion? So as I say that there is a relationship in the same manner. Every class has relationships. How this class has been linked with the other class. Till the time a girl did not get married, she never get called daughter-in-law. As soon as got engaged and get married, immediate relationship get changed to the daughter-in-law. A new name has been added. A new relationship has been added. A new family has been added. So in the same manner, every CI class has its own relationship. And there's a different type of relationships. So like I said, daughter-in-law, bhabhi, chachi, mami, tai, jethani, devrani, these are the type of relationships. Same applicable for the boys as well. Son becomes son-in-law, mama, chacha, taya, bhai, jet, deva. So multiple relationship they got it. When he become father, and when that father become father-in-law, the relationship gets changed. One more relationship get added. So in this thing, if you see this picture, I'm sure that you're not able to see. So if you see this picture, computer class has a relationship with different classes. Bhabhi is itself a class, itself a CI. Chachi itself a CI. But how these two relationships are connected? That's important. So let me like this. ये देखो. A computer contains storage, disk partition. A computer own fabric channel port. A computer uses router. A computer distributed by the load balancer. A computer used by Unix certificates. So these all are the suggested relationship. Now, if I give example, sometimes what happens that definitely in our Indian culture, I'll say, what do you say? This relationship is very far type of relationship. बहुत दूर की रिश्तेदारी है. How that relationship built? He is my mother's cousin's son-in-law daughters. Tulsi, you can switch off the video, that's fine. Okay. So this is what the relationship is this. This is what the relationship is this. And my mom says that he's your brother. I said, how it's look like my cousin, brother kind of things. So my mom's cousin's daughter-in-law, and then they have a kid, and that kid get married to someone else, and then the relationship become like a cousin brother for me. In the same manner, this relationship work in the industry. Now, why the relationship is important? Relationships are important to see that who is our near and who is our dear. If something happened good in my sister's in-laws place, I will get also impacted. I have to be go there, I have to be serve them, or might be I have to be celebrate with them. In opposite, if something bad happened at someone place and I have a relationship with them, I might get hurt. I have to be go there, I have to be help them, and all things will be there. But now the question comes, why these things are important in industry? Now let's go back to the same example what McKenna says. If in the hot summer AC is not working, what will be the impact? McKenna, what will be the impact?
Everyone will feel they will be heated.
Everyone feel like
They will feel heat.
okay, then only bus. Okay.
They will ask for the AC to get repaired.
ठीक है, और I'm talking about the impact, not the solution. Let's take example. AC is not working. Due to that, you're not able to sleep properly in the night. Okay. Due to that, you're not able to sleep in the night. You're getting little tired in the day. Because of your tired in the day, you're not able to concentrate on your work. Because you're not able to concentrate on your work, you made a mistake in your project. Due to that, there is an escalation. That escalation become a frustration. Then you might have a little bit fight with your family or the husband, and that become a big incident. And now what is the reason behind that? Because you did not get a good sleep. Why? Because AC is not working. So now the question comes, Atul, how this is important for us to be understand. Because in service in our industry, whenever we want to make a change in a CI, we need to be see that how that change is going to be impact to everybody else. Anybody in this group who has a kids age of like 10, 11 or above that? Anybody? 10 plus? Sorry, who is? Anybody's kid? 10 plus or might be in good age of school now, having exams and everything.
Yes.
Okay. How old?
12 years.
12 years. Okay. Now let's take example. Savita and her family staying in a house, and Savita's father-in-law come to stay with them. It is a peak February month, and Savita know that in March you have a daughter or kid, son, Savita?
Son.
Son. Now in March, in the first week of March, her son exams are going to be start. Her father-in-law says to Savita, hey, your house looks little dirty. Let's go to the whitewash because I'm here, so I can help you in that thing. Savita know that yes, this is the problem that it's look dirty now, and we need to be go for the whitewash. It's very like 3 or 4 years now we did not have a whitewash. Savita's father-in-law put that proposal to Savita. Before Savita says yes or no, she talked to her husband. Hey, father says that we have to go for the whitewash. What do you think? Savita's husband is working in a bank and he has the closing months because March is the closing months for bankers. Okay. So his husband says, sorry, I'm not able to concentrate because I have a closing month and it's too hectic nowadays. Might be I'll come late in the evenings. Also, Savita know that she's not able to contribute because it's important for her to be concentrate on the exams of her son. Because it's the final exam, so she can't take a risk. Plus, Savita has a travel plan, might be for 5-7 days in the March. So she told to her father, sorry, not now, might be in month of April we'll do this whitewash work. Now, till now, it did not even whitewash happen. Just discussion happen, but they can see the impact for a long. Only one CI is getting impacted. House is getting impacted, that's all. But due to that activity, the effect is much wider. This is what is the relationship come in the picture. That how the human being and the CI get related with each other. And how that activity is going to be impact to everybody else. Clear the fundamental of CMDB now, everybody.
Yes.
Good. So now This is what the service now give to us. And saying that boss, these are the different classes and these are the different relationship. If you want to see, go back here. Search for the server. See how many server class we have. Till now, I just know only Windows Server, that's all. See, a server has a relationship like this. Server contained like this. Server used by like this. Server owned by like this. Let me show you the database. ये easy है थोड़ा सा. Service depend on the database. Application depends on database. Database depends on cluster. Database run on Unix server. Database hosted on server. These all are the relationship types. As I say that every CI has a relationship. And these are the suggested relationship that if you want to connect server and the database and the server, this is the right relationship name. Okay. Now every class has few more things. We'll discuss the theoretical today and tomorrow we'll go for the practical part. Health. Every CI class has a health. Like we are human being, we have a health. Our car has a health, our house has a health. The car which you bought today is not same after 10 years. The health of the car will be changed. So service now divide this thing in the 3 C's. Completeness, compliance, and correctness. Let me give you an example. Savita come to me and say, Atul, I want to be join your classes. I said, okay, can you fill this form? I give this form to Savita and I told, can you fill this form? She said, okay. She put name. छोड़ दिया, ये भी छोड़ दिया, ये भी छोड़ दिया, ये भी छोड़ दिया. No. Now can you tell me that is this form is complete or not? Or let's say she is filling the form but she left out this field. Now by seeing this, what you can conclude? Is this form is completed?
No, incomplete.
What is the minimum field required to complete this form?
Name.
Minimum is name, right? So it means when we are creating a CI and when we say that yes, it is from the completeness perspective, the CI must have the minimum attributes field by which we can say yes, or we can understand that particular CI nature. In this form, if she did not put the gender, but she still put the name. I can say yes. Okay, ठीक है, complete है. Put the three things, name and gender. That's all. Rest you can fill it later on as well. Like if you go in some kind of might be institute or some kind of a bank, what the other or some other place, the other person say, hey, just put the name and sign it quickly. Rest we will do it later on, so that they can proceed with this information. This concept is called the completeness, that a CI must have minimum information by which it can be recognized, it can be understood, it can be used. Minimum hai. So like when we're talking about marriage and we say, okay, we need to be matched the this only and everything. So what we need minimum? We need a name, date of birth, birth time, and birthplace. That's all. This thing make a completeness. Now compliance. Let's say this is a bar entry form. ठीक है, यहाँ तक रहता है. Now there is a girl name ZZ. Her age is 40. And that girl fill the form and she want to be go in the bar. Complete information? Eh? Yes. Let me put this location. And this thing not required. Now it is a complete form. 100% complete, yes. But it has a compliance. No. Compliance says that to get into the bar, the age should be minimum 60. Below that are not allowed to go inside bar without any adult accompanied them. So compliance is another health attribute of a CI, which says that, hey, you are running a server on Windows 11, but that is depreciated. No support available. You need to be run your Windows server on the Windows 2012. And this is against the standard if you're not using the latest version of Windows Server. That is a compliance perspective, that minimum this need to be done, minimum this value should be there, minimum this artifact should be there, then it will be considered as a compliance. You cannot drive any vehicle. I'm talking about these countries, European countries or the UK specifically. If you hold a learning license, you cannot drive the car or the vehicle alone, even though you have a learning license. You must be accompanied by someone who hold a full approved license. This is compliance. The audits happen, and in the audit, these things come. So CI must be compliant with the standards. And then correctness. Now we know that there is nothing called gender called FIM. Either we put female for F, M for male, and don't want to be disclosed DN. But FIM, what does this mean, FIM? So in this, it is complete. Yes, it is compliant. Yes, but this is not correct information. So things might go wrong. So according to service now that these three C's are important. And with these C's, three C's, if these three C's are green in color, means they have some defined value. If they're above that, then it will be considered as a healthy CMDB. Clear? Doubt, question, clarification. What is your homework for today? Your homework for today is to be read about the CMDB only. CMDB basics, classes, relationship. This thing. Health, three C's. Because this is important to be understand. What is CI? What is asset? CI versus asset. CI difference, CI asset similarities. These are basics. I'm again saying these are all basic. Might be you can ignore today's homework, or might be you can do your today's homework. It depends on you what you want actually. Go to in service now. Go in the tables. And search here CMDB underscore CI. See 1098 CI classes. You are my service now. This is base. This is core. Check these two tables. Check their fields. Because in the CMDB, every class has a parent of this. Sorry, have a parent this. If you start counting the ancestors, counting. So might be there will be time come when Savitas and Macrinas will be on the same, having the same ancestors. Same thing applicable here. You pick up any CMDB class. The ultimate parent of CMDB class is this. And under this is the parent. So if you see, every CA class is starting with the CMDB CI. That is why I'm searched with the CMDB underscore CI only. See. देखो. So वही है CMDB CI, CMDB CI, CMDB CI. What this mean? That the intention for this having CMDB CI underscore CI in the beginning because it represent a set of classes. क्लियर हुआ फंडा बेटा सबको? I'm again recommending, please go through this today, because tomorrow we are going to be do CI asset mappings, CI asset relationship. Okay, chaliye, let's stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.